In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a pop-up on Google Sites using tools from Elfsight. Now, whether you're creating a site for personal use or business purposes, adding a pop-up can be a great way to interact with your visitors or provide important information. Let's dive into it. First, you want to head over to Elfsight's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a section labeled Catalog. This is where you'll find a wide variety of widgets and tools that you can use on your website. Go ahead and click on Catalog. In the catalog search bar, type in Visitor. This will help you narrow down the options available and help you quickly locate the Visitor Counter widget. This tool is perfect if you're looking to engage with your audience and want to track or display the number of visitors in real time. After you've found the visitor counter, click to open it. You'll be presented with a range of templates. These templates are designed to suit different website styles, so take a moment to look through them and select one that fits your site's aesthetic and purpose best. Once you've decided on a template, click on Continue with this template. This will take you to a new screen where you can make further edits. Feel free to customize the template to better fit your needs. Remember, personalization can make a significant difference in how effectively the pop-up communicates with your visitors. After personalizing your widget, click on the Publish button. This action makes your customized pop-up widget ready for use. There is an option here labeled as Free. Click Select to proceed with the free version, allowing you to continue without any financial commitments. Then, you'll be prompted to copy the code for your newly created pop-up. Click the button labeled Copy Code. This step is crucial as you'll need this code to embed the pop-up on your Google site. Now, switch over to Google Sites. Open the site you're working on and look for the Embed button, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen. Clicking Embed will prompt you with two choices. Choose Embed Code, which allows you to directly insert the HTML code into your site. You should have the pop-up code still copied on your clipboard. Paste this code into the provided field and click Next. Google Sites will process this information, showing a preview of the pop-up on your site. To finalize, simply click Insert, and your pop-up will be embedded directly onto your Google site. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a pop-up from Elfsight onto your Google site. This feature will not only enhance your site's interactivity, but also allow you to connect with your audience more effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy site building.